Stampers and friends, it's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I am so excited to share with you my brand new online stamping class. I think you're gonna love this one. Now, I know it's kind of getting close to the holidays and we're sharing a lot of Christmas card and holiday card ideas with you. Well, my class this month is not holiday cards. It's not Christmas cards. I purposefully did that because I think it's a great gift giving. I purposefully did that because I think it's a great idea for making gifts for your family and friends. And I know a lot of you love to do that. So we're going to focus on using the stamp set that goes with a card kit. So it's kind of twofold. This card kit is amazing, and I'm going to show that to you. That itself would be the perfect gift to give someone. But I'm also then going to use the stamp set to show you how to make some gorgeous cards along with a box to package up those cards so that you can give them as a gift. So I'm not going to stamp today, but I'm going to show you all of the projects that are in this card kit as well as in the online class. Now, just like my other classes, you can get the class completely free if you place an order with me between the 1st and the 10th of November. Wow, I can't believe we're saying November already. So make sure you check out all the details over my website. The link will be down in the video description. You need to use a special online host code and I'll send you the class for free. Now, if you are a demonstrator or you live outside of the United States or you just don't want to place an order and get the class for free, I also have the tutorial over there that's for sale as well. So any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Leave me a comment, email me, contact me through my blog. I'm happy to answer your questions and help you in any way that I can. You want to see the projects? I'm kind of excited about them, can you tell? Let's go ahead, flip the camera down, and let's look at all of these beautiful cards I have to share. The products we're using are the Gorgeous Posies. Now, this is a stamp set, and they call it a project kit. I call it a card kit. So we kind of got several different things going. I want to show you this because it's absolutely stunning. Now with this, your kit actually comes in this beautiful box. So this is great for keeping treasures in or whatever you want to keep in it, or just to keep cards in. Now, you buy the stamp set separate than the project kit. So if you do the project kit, really you could use a different greeting set if you wanted to, if you did not want to buy the Posy stamp set. But the cards that I have to share with you using the stamp set, you're going to want it. So what I'd like to do is first just show you the 4 cards that project kit makes. Now, I love these kits. And like I said, this would be a super great gift giving idea. If you have friends that would like to make some cards and maybe don't do a lot of stamping or don't have a lot of stuff, it's great when you get the cards, the envelopes, everything to go with it. You can even get a kit for you and a kit for them and get together and stamp. Now, there's all the envelopes, so I'll show you these. Aren't they pretty? I'm kind of into this purple thing here. Then you get all of the card bases as well as these beautiful printed layers that go on top. And then all the different little labels for the greetings, as well as these punch outs to add for more dimension on them. And then the pretty ribbon and the purple linen thread. So I'd like to just take a peek at these. Now you can mix and match your greetings, or like I said, you could really put whatever greetings you wanted on them. Now I did not do anything on the insides. These cards are nice because they're colored on the outside, white on the inside. You certainly could stamp on the inside or leave it blank just to leave a message. But look at how pretty. These cards are super easy, just some dimensionals and a little bit of stamping. And I think they're gorgeous. The kit does come with a very basic instruction sheet. I'm sure you can figure it out. It's so easy. But aren't they beautiful? Now, here's the deal with card kits from Stampin' Up. I love the card kits and all of this stuff. But if you purchase the stamp set to do this, really all you're using are the greetings out of it. But this is an awesome stamp set. So our online class this month that you can get for free with an order, or like I said, you can just purchase the tutorial, focuses just on using the stamp set. Let me show you the cards. This flower stamps beautiful. There's also some great greetings in here, but you can also combine any other greetings. Like if you want to make these birthday cards or thank you cards, but I came up with 11, I think it's 11 different card layout ideas and different ways to use these stamp sets. There's not a die or a punch. You got to do a little fussy cutting, but it's super easy. So there's the first one. And let's see, I think there's another Get Well one. You could easily use completely different colors on these cards if you want to. I just chose to use the same colors that are in the card kit. There is that one. This one I did use the rectangle dies with it. Now, when you do get the online class, you will get all the cutting dimensions, step-by-step instructions, along with a short tips video to help you stamp these. Oh, there's the envelopes. Okay, had to make sure we stamped the envelopes. And there's that one. I love adding black. I think it just makes everything pop. And there's that. You can see some I did some cutting, other ones I didn't. I tried to really limit the supplies. We use an embossing folder, which you could use any embossing folder. And of course, I got to add linen thread. That's kind of my thing that we add onto everything. But look at all the beautiful card layouts with that stamp set. And then as part of the tutorial, you'll also get instructions to make this box. And this is where I said, wouldn't this make a beautiful gift idea? You can make up the box and it should hold, I think, about 6. Let's see. So we'll put 6 envelopes in there, and then you can take any 6 of these cards. There's 3, 4, right? 4, 5, and 6. And sometimes if there's a lot of dimension, I'll flip them 2 different ways, get the fold going a different way. Easily fits 6. You could fit more cards in there as well. And wouldn't that make a great gift idea? So for that tutorial, you could make up a whole bunch of gifts to give this holiday season to your family and friends. So I hope you love these cards. Now remember, hop over to my website. Over there, you'll find all the details. There'll be some pictures of the cards as well as the information for getting the tutorial for free with an order this month. Otherwise, there'll be the link to purchase the tutorial as well. But aren't they pretty? I kind of had a blast making all these cards for you. So any questions, reach out to me. I'd love to share more details with you if you have questions about my online class. And I hope you decide that you want to participate this month and get this tutorial as well. So until I stamp with you, which I'll do real soon. I know I didn't stamp, but I did show you lots of cards today. So we'll talk to you again real soon. Have a stamp happy day.